Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to delete your foods or your food list on MyFitnessPal. So first of all, you should have the MyFitnessPal application. To do so, all you need is to go to your smartphone store or mobile store. It can be the Google Play if you have the Android version of smartphones, or you have the App Store if you have an iPhone. So I'm going to click on my store here, and I will have my search bar, and I will just type on the name of the application, which is the MyFitnessPal. So I'm going to type MyFitnessPal, and I will find it here in the suggestions, and I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, you will have it here. So just click on the blue button that says download, or the green one if you have Android version, which says install. After that, you will just go to your application and connect to it with an existing account if you already have it, or just create a new one with your email or Facebook. You can connect the MyFitnessPal with Facebook. So now we are going to search our food let's list. So I can just click on the 3 points here, which is the more option. So it will give us many menus. And here, as you can see, there is something called my recipes and the meals and foods. So I want to delete the foods. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to search for food. Let's, for example, having foods here. Let's have a, a which is 1 cup, two, 1 serving, 1 g, which is 1 gram, for example, and just give it. So basically, you will have it like the meals here. So if you have a list of food, you will have, for example, you have here like a brand, for example, dark chocolate of brand name, and then you will just drag like that, and you will have it deleted automatically. The other way to delete your foods is by going to the diary, and for example, just click on add food. In the my foods here, you will find it, and you will have to drag it exactly as we did in the previous method. So basically, those are the methods to delete your foods on MyFitnessPal. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.